The Supreme Court today limiting how far federal judges can go when ruling on cases with a nationwide impact. This case centered on President Trump's executive order from his first day in office to change the interpretation of birthright citizenship, something guaranteed in the Constitution with the 14th Amendment. The president's plan would deny citizenship to children born in the U.S. who have parents in the country illegally or temporarily. 22 states sued over the plan, and today the Supreme Court ruled it won't go into effect for 30 days. That gives lower courts time to tailor their decisions to comply with the Supreme Court's order. There's been a strong reaction to the uncertain future for the families impacted. NBC4's Christian Cazares joins us live with what's ahead. Christian.
That's right. Well, today we spoke to an immigration attorney who tells us this will open up Pandora's box. He says this will also make a mess of the Constitution's 14th Amendment regarding the automatic citizenship for almost anyone born in the country.
This morning, the Supreme Court has delivered a monumental victory for the Constitution.
On Friday, in a 6-3 vote, the Supreme Court weighed in on President Trump's executive order he made during his first week in office that would deny citizenship to children born in the U.S. to some undocumented citizens.
I'm grateful to the Supreme Court for stepping in and solving this very, very big and complex problem.
The nationwide injunction, according to the federal district court judges, would now only apply to states, groups, or individuals that are part of a lawsuit.
We've got 22 states that sued the United States federal government, stating that birthright citizenship is a constitutional amendment that's been respected for many years and cannot be eliminated with just the wave of a president's pen on an executive order.
Gustavo Mora is an immigration attorney in Los Angeles who says the Democratic-led states, including California, Oregon, Colorado, and New Mexico, are among those 22 states that would be protected under the existing injunction. The remaining 28 states, he says, would not be protected under any injunction.
The biggest issue out of this whole case is the chaos it's going to create, okay? I think that democratically led states would continue issuing birth certificates to children born in their state.
We've been getting calls on our hotline. Our hotline rings 24 hours a day.
Inside this nonprofit organization in San Bernardino, they say calls have been coming in from concerned expecting mothers who are here illegally.
Who are concerned about what is to come. What process? Do they have to take their birth certificate now? Does that have to be part of their little backpacks or bags that they create to the hospital for when they're giving births?
On social media, Governor Gavin Newsom posted, "We are committed to holding the line and will keep fighting to ensure this injunction remains in place for good." So what happens next? So the court says President Trump's executive order will go into effect in the next 30 days, but experts say there's already ongoing legal challenges. And also, one quick note before I let you go, the immigration attorney says anyone with questions should seek legal advice because at the end of the day, everyone's case is different. In San Bernardino, Christian Cazares, NBC4 News.
Christian, thank you.